Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels heavier than it used to, or that standing up from a chair takes just a little more effort? It can feel as though you're carrying an invisible backpack of bricks. This isn't laziness. It's often the early sign of sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that accelerates after 60. According to the National Institutes of Health, adults over 60 lose about 1% of muscle mass yearly, and strength tends to fade faster. The result? Simple tasks, such as walking to the market, lifting groceries, and keeping your balance, become harder. Weak muscles are one of the leading reasons older adults fall. And the CDC reports that every 11 seconds, someone over 65 is hospitalized after a fall. But here's the hopeful truth. Muscle loss is not a one-way street. You can slow it down and even reverse some of it by making daily wise choices. And one of the simplest, most powerful tools isn't a pill or a protein powder. It's fruit. The right fruits contain compounds that fight inflammation, improve recovery, and even spark new muscle growth. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful fruits that can keep you strong, steady, and independent. Stay with me until the end, because the number one fruit might surprise you. Chances are, it's already sitting in your kitchen. When people think of avocados, they often picture guacamole at a party or a trendy toast at brunch. But behind that creamy texture lies one of the most potent allies your muscles could ever ask for. Think of avocado as nature wrapping vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats into one neat package designed to protect your body as it ages. One of the biggest threats to muscle strength after 60 is silent inflammation. It creeps in without apparent symptoms, weakening muscle fibers and slowing repair. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. These good fats are like tiny fire extinguishers that calm the hidden flames of inflammation. When your muscles aren't constantly battling low-level damage, they can focus on repairing, rebuilding, and staying strong. Avocados also pack more potassium than bananas. This mineral is vital for muscle contractions. The simple squeeze and release motion your muscles use to help you stand, walk, or grip a handle. Without enough potassium, cramps and fatigue creep in. Combine that with avocado's magnesium, and you have a natural duo that helps prevent painful nighttime cramps and keeps your muscles firing smoothly. Another key nutrient inside avocado is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Think of free radicals as rust slowly eating away at metal, and vitamin E as the protective coating that stops the damage. This protection keeps your muscle cells healthy, slowing the wear and tear of aging. Science backs this up. Harvard Health highlights that older adults who eat more monounsaturated fats, like those in avocados, show a lower risk of frailty and better mobility. That means more freedom to walk, climb stairs, or garden without feeling drained. And here's the best part. Avocados are incredibly easy to add to your meals. Spread them on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon, slice them into salads, or blend them into a smoothie for a creamy boost. Even a few bites at breakfast or lunch can set your muscles up for strength and energy the rest of the day. So the next time you cut open an avocado, remember, it isn't just delicious. It's a daily investment in keeping your muscles steady and ready for life. Bright, sour, and bursting with color, tart cherries may be small but powerful for aging muscles. If avocados act like protectors against inflammation, tart cherries are the firefighters, rushing in to cool down sore, overworked tissue and help you recover faster. The secret lies in anthocyanins, the pigments that give tart cherries their deep red color. These compounds are potent antioxidants, fighting oxidative stress and inflammation that quietly chip away at muscle strength as we age. Chronic inflammation isn't just uncomfortable. It can leave your muscles stiff, achy, and slower to bounce back after activity. By calming this internal fire, tart cherries give your muscles a better chance to repair and stay resilient. Research supports their benefits. A review from the Mayo Clinic highlights that tart cherry juice doesn't just reduce soreness after exercise, it can also improve sleep quality. That's no small thing. Sleep is when your body does its most crucial repair work. Without restful sleep, muscles can't rebuild properly. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Better recovery at night means stronger, more energetic days. Another advantage? Consistency. Many older adults start walking, gardening, or light exercising, but stop when soreness occurs. Tart cherries help reduce that post-activity pain, allowing you to keep moving without discouragement. Movement fuels muscle health, and sour cherries make it easier to stay active, and they bring more than just muscle relief. Tart cherries are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Collagen supports skin elasticity and the connective tissue that holds muscles and joints together. With healthier connective tissue, you're less prone to injuries and stiffness. Adding tart cherries to your routine is simple. Drink a small glass of tart cherry juice, without added sugar if possible, or sprinkle frozen cherries into oatmeal or yogurt. You can even toss them into smoothies for a refreshing tang. Think of tart cherries as both a recovery tool and a sleep aid. They soothe sore muscles, improve rest, and help keep your body in motion. Every serving fuels an activity, recovery, and strength cycle that keeps you independent and energized. Pomegranates are often called jewels of the fruit world for their ruby red seeds and live up to the name for muscle health. Each seed is like a tiny capsule of nutrients designed to keep blood flowing, muscles energized, and recovery times shorter. For adults over 60, that's a game changer. One of the most significant challenges with aging muscles is reduced circulation. Without a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, muscles tire more quickly and take longer to recover. Pomegranates shine here because they help boost nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Think of nitric oxide as widening the highway lanes, so more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles. With better circulation, muscles work more efficiently and fatigue less quickly. But the benefits don't stop there. Pomegranates are loaded with polyphenols, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. Free radicals act like sparks that damage cells as we age, slowing healing and contributing to soreness. Polyphenols act as a shield, helping muscle fibers recover faster after activity. This means you can garden, walk, or climb stairs without feeling wiped out afterwards. Research shows that pomegranate extract can reduce muscle soreness and even improve endurance, making it easier to maintain a consistent exercise routine. That consistency is key to fighting sarcopenia. According to the World Health Organization, regular physical activity is one of the strongest predictors of independence in older adults. And foods that support circulation help make that activity possible. Energy is another hidden benefit. Many seniors notice their stamina dipping after even light chores. With the improved blood flow and reduced inflammation from pomegranates, energy levels often rebound, giving you the confidence to stay active throughout the day. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet is simple. Enjoy the seeds by the spoonful, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into smoothies for a refreshing burst. If you prefer juice, choose 100% pure pomegranate juice without added sugars to maximize the benefits. Every handful of pomegranate seeds is like turning up the energy dial on your body. When most people think of prunes, they immediately connect them with digestion. But these wrinkled fruits hold a surprising secret. They're among the best allies for aging muscles and bones. In fact, prunes may be the most underrated muscle-supporting food sitting in your pantry. First, prunes are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. As we age, our cells are exposed to more free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage tissue. Imagine tiny sparks slowly wearing down your muscles. The antioxidants in prunes act like a fire blanket, smothering those sparks and protecting muscle fibers so they can recover and stay strong. However, prunes also contain something unique. They help activate a hormone called IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. IGF-1 plays a crucial role in muscle repair and regeneration. Unfortunately, as we get older, our natural production of IGF-1 declines, making it harder to rebuild muscle after activity. Eating prunes may encourage your body to boost this process, giving your muscles a better chance to repair and grow. And that's not all. Prunes are rich in boron, a trace mineral supporting bone and muscle health. Boron helps your body use calcium and magnesium more effectively, two minerals essential for maintaining strong bones and smooth muscle contractions. This double benefit means fewer risks of fractures and less muscle weakness over time. The National Institutes of Health has even highlighted research showing that daily prune consumption supports bone density, especially in postmenopausal women. Stronger bones and stronger muscles together create the foundation for independence. Adding prunes to your day is easy. You can eat them as a chewy, sweet snack. Chop them into oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for natural sweetness. They even pair well in savory dishes like stews, adding richness while quietly strengthening your body. Think of prunes as more than just a digestive aid. They're tiny packages of muscle rebuilding fuel, bone strengtheners, and inflammation fighters. By making them part of your daily routine, you're helping your body recover today and investing in years of mobility, energy, and independence ahead. Simple, crisp, and familiar, apples may seem too ordinary to be powerful, but hidden in their peel is one of the most remarkable tools for protecting aging muscles. If avocados are the protectors and cherries the firefighters, apples are the steady shield, quietly strengthening your body every time you bite. The magic comes from a compound called ursolic acid, found mainly in the peel. Ursolic acid helps stimulate muscle growth and reduce muscle breakdown. For older adults battling sarcopenia, this is critical. It's like flipping the balance. Instead of losing muscle each year, you're nudging your body to hold on to what it has and even build more. That's why keeping the peel on your apple is so essential. Apples are also rich in quercetin, another powerful antioxidant. Quercetin plays a special role by protecting your mitochondria, the tiny batteries inside each cell. When mitochondria work well, your muscles have the energy to walk, lift, or stay steady on your feet. Poor mitochondrial health is linked to fatigue and weakness, while strong mitochondria mean more vitality. According to CDC reports, older adults with better mitochondrial function stay more independent and active. Think of quercetin as a tune-up for your body's energy engines. By protecting your mitochondria, apples help you recover faster after activity, reduce soreness, and energize you throughout the day. That extra energy can make all the difference, whether carrying groceries, walking with friends, or climbing stairs. And let's not forget the practical side. Apples are one of the easiest fruits to add to your diet. No peeling, no prep, wash and eat. Slice them with peanut butter for a protein boost, toss them into a salad, or blend them into a smoothie. Remember, the peel holds much power, so eat it whenever possible. An apple a day might sound like a cliché, but it's surprisingly accurate regarding muscle health. Each crisp bite delivers compounds that fight muscle loss, fuel your cells, and keep your body steady and strong. Simple, affordable, and effective. Apples prove that everyday foods can be extraordinary medicine. You start to see a pattern when you put all of these fruits together: avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prune, and apple. They aren't exotic supplements or expensive powders. They're simple, everyday foods that benefit muscles, bones, and energy. Each fights sarcopenia differently, reducing inflammation, improving circulation, fueling recovery, strengthening bones, or protecting cells. Think of them as tiny tools in your body's repair kit. Just like a mechanic uses different wrenches and screwdrivers to keep a car running, your muscles need various nutrients to stay strong. One fruit provides antioxidants, another boosts blood flow, another supports hormones, all working together like a well-coordinated team. The best part? These foods are easy to add to your daily meals. A slice of avocado on toast, a handful of cherries in yogurt, or an apple in your bag for later can make a big difference. Small steps, taken consistently, protect your independence and keep you moving with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Stronger years are waiting for you, starting today.